In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about one of the very important Oracle interview question, and question is here. What is a dual table in Oracle? So let's try to understand. Uh, the dual table is a special one row, one column table present by default in all Oracle databases, right? The owner of the dual is sys. Sys is the one of the schema which is basically allowed for the highly privileged user. As you know, sys owns the data dictionary, therefore dual is the part of the data dictionary, but dual can be accessed by the every user. The table has a single varchar2 size of one column called dummy that has a value of x. So let me show you through an example so that you will have better understanding. Yeah, so here let me if I can describe dual table, then what basically information comes out. Let me show you. So if I describe dual table, then here you can see this table is having basically one column is called dummy and varchar 2 is the data type and size is 1. That's the detail we are able to see. Now there are some more things like we can perform select, right? Select operation on dual, then what returns? Select star from dual, then let's see what comes out. So here here what we get, column name is dummy and value x is stored in that, right? Now what else we can do? We can also perform the count operation, then that will return 1, right? So if I select count, then this will return count as 1 because there is only one value has been stored, right? And here we get the 1, right? We can use basically dual to call some functions as well, right? Like we can do select sysdate, right? Sysdate is a function that select sysdate from dual, you can say, and here we get the system date, right? Similarly, you can call any function like we have a upper function, right? upper, upper, which will basically convert a string in uppercase, right? So we pass if a string in a smaller case, that will convert into the uppercase. So if I run this application, if I run this query, then this is going to convert Kishan into uppercase, right? So there are a lot of places you can use basically dual table, right? By you can call various existing function, right? And you can see how this function is working using dual, right? So that's all I wanted to explain in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you and see you there in the next video tutorial.